Let's face it, ordinary cars just don't cut it anymore. You don't want to blend in with traffic. You want to own the road. If you're tired of sluggish acceleration, generic styling, and engines that sound more like electric razors than muscle, you need something different. You need power, presence, and adrenaline in every gear shift. That's exactly where the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 comes in. It's not just a car, it's a street-legal beast built for those who crave unfiltered performance and unapologetic style. So buckle up. We're taking a closer look at what makes the 2025 Shelby GT500 one of the most powerful Mustangs ever made. Heritage and legacy. This isn't just a car, it's a badge of honor backed by over 5 decades of muscle car domination. The name Shelby has a famous history that started in the 1960s when Carroll Shelby changed what people thought American performance cars could be. The 2025 Shelby GT500 is made in an old-school style with new advanced technology. Now it's a modern version of a classic muscle car, honoring its past while charging into the future. Engine and performance. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is a monster on wheels, engineered for pure domination. At its heart lies a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator 5.8, cranking out a mind-blowing 800 horsepower and 725 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just fast, it's ferocious. With a 0 to 60 time under 3 seconds, the GT500 turns acceleration into an art form. A refined dual-clutch 7-speed transmission ensures each gear change hits like lightning, while a specially tuned Magna-Ride suspension keeps the beast planted through every twist and turn. Paired with high-performance Brembo brakes and enhanced cooling systems, the GT500 is ready to handle heat, speed, and anything else the road or track throws its way. Aerodynamics. When it comes to slicing through the air, the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is a master of aerodynamic aggression. Every curve, vent, and edge is purpose-built to enhance performance at high speed. Up front, a redesigned splitter and enlarged grille openings maximize airflow while reducing drag, keeping the engine cool and the GT500 glued to the ground. Along the sides, sculpted body lines and airflow channels reduce turbulence, while the rear features a massive carbon fiber wing that delivers serious downforce when you're pushing this beast to the limit. Even the underbody has been fine-tuned for smoother airflow and greater stability. Whether you're carving corners or flying down the straightaway, the GT500 uses the air as its ally, turning resistance into an advantage and ensuring that every ounce of power stays under your control. Engineering innovations. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 isn't just powerful, it's brilliantly engineered from the ground up. Ford didn't just throw in a supercharged V8 and call it a day. They reimagined how every component works together to push the limits of muscle car performance. At the core is a reinforced chassis designed to handle extreme torque and high-speed cornering. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum reduce weight without sacrificing strength, while a performance-tuned Magna-Ride suspension adapts instantly to the road or track beneath you. Ford's advanced electronic architecture also plays a key role, optimizing everything from launch control to real-time damping adjustments. Even the cooling systems have been meticulously designed to manage heat during full-throttle runs. Driving experience. Buckle up because the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 delivers a driving experience that's nothing short of electrifying. From the moment you hit the ignition, the roar of the supercharged V8 sends chills down your spine. This isn't just driving, it's a full-body adrenaline rush. The GT500 reacts instantly to your inputs, thanks to its lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission and Magna-Ride adaptive suspension. Whether you're tearing through corners or flooring it on the straightaway, every move feels precise, planted, and powerful. Selectable drive modes let you fine-tune the experience from track day aggression to street-ready refinement, so you're always in command. And with advanced traction control, launch assist, and active exhaust, the GT500 doesn't just respond to the road fuel efficiency and sustainability. You might not expect fuel efficiency from a fire-breathing muscle car, but the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 proves that power and responsibility can share the same road. Ford has refined every aspect of the GT500's engineering to squeeze out more efficiency without sacrificing performance. An upgraded engine management system intelligently adjusts fuel delivery for optimal output, while the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures the engine operates in its sweet spot, whether you're cruising or crushing it. Lightweight materials help reduce the load, improving both acceleration and fuel economy. And when it comes to sustainability, Ford's commitment shows. From recycled components in the interior to eco-friendly manufacturing processes, the GT500 is built with a conscience. Safety features. When you're harnessing this much raw power, safety isn't optional, it's essential. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 doesn't just go fast, it protects you at every turn. Ford has loaded this beast with advanced safety tech designed to give you total confidence whether you're on the street or the track. It starts with a reinforced safety cage and high-strength materials that provide serious crash protection without adding weight. On board, you get Ford's latest driver assist suite, featuring lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Track enthusiasts will love the performance-focused safety systems like launch control, stability assist, and real-time telemetry, giving you the tools to push the limits safely. Interior and technology step inside the 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. And you're greeted by a cockpit that's all business, with just the right touch of luxury. This isn't just where you sit, it's where you take control. The interior is crafted with performance in mind, featuring Recaro sport seats that grip you through every curve and premium materials that elevate every drive. At the center of it all is a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's Sync 4 system, offering seamless navigation, smartphone integration, and real-time performance data. Add in a digital gauge cluster, head-up display, and customizable driving modes, and you've got the tools to tailor your ride like a pro. From track telemetry to a banging 12-speaker B&O sound system, the GT500 delivers cutting-edge tech with muscle car attitude. It's the perfect fusion of digital precision and raw horsepower. Price and availability. If you're ready to own a piece of Mustang history, the 2025 Shelby GT500 is your ticket to the ultimate performance experience. Ford has priced this powerhouse starting at around $90,000. But with all the performance packages and tech upgrades, that number can climb fast. And honestly, every dollar feels worth it. This isn't just about buying a car, it's about unleashing a legend. Built in limited numbers, the GT500 won't just turn heads. It'll be a collector's dream. Orders are already live, and enthusiasts are lining up to claim their beast. So, if you're thinking about getting behind the wheel, you'd better act fast. The 2025 Shelby GT500 isn't waiting around. It's here to lead the pack. Are you ready to take the reins? The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 isn't just a car with mind-blowing engineering, aggressive styling, and race-ready performance. It's built to leave everything else in the dust. Whether you're chasing lap times or simply turning heads on the street, the GT500 is your ultimate weapon. If you're as hyped about this beast as we are, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-octane breakdowns on the world's most thrilling rides. This is more than horsepower, it's heart-pounding history in motion. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay fast, stay fearless, and keep driving the legend.